my concern is whether or not law schools would have need-based and merit-based scholarships given the COVID-19 situation for what is towards the end of the 2020 cycle. Because I planned on taking the June LSAT, but I've currently requested from LSAC to change my June LSAT to the May Flex, and I'm hoping that they can accommodate that. If not, then I'll just wait out for June. But I'm concerned that law schools may or may not have scholarship money for this cycle, given that it's a little late in the cycle.
Great question. I think that it may not necessarily change the scholarship situation that much. Their incentives are, and always have been really, to raise their medians, raise their rankings in the US News Report. And so as a result of that, if your numbers are above their medians, they have reason to give you merit-based. Need-based is a totally different situation. Obviously, law schools aren't charities, but they may have reason to bring people in, not only for the numbers, but also for the softer factors. My experience and focus has been much more on the merit-based, because that's what a lot of students can control by raising their numbers.
Right.
Need-based, I mean, that's FAFSA. That relates to more like to federal government loans and things of that nature. I'm not sure how much of that comes from law schools specifically.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. And as always, I think there's typically been more money available relatively earlier in the cycle. But if law schools have a hard time getting bodies in seats based on how things unfold this particular cycle, they may dig deeper into their pockets in order to fill their seats if it requires giving students some incentive to choose them. And then if they can get a good deal on a student, meaning that they're drafting you in a sense like in a sports league, because your numbers can strengthen their pool of matriculating students.
Right. Okay. Understood. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. All the best on the May LSAT to you.
Thank you.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.